More than 300%. My last drawn CTC, 7.2 lakhs in Kolkata-based CTC. That is very low CTC as per my experience, because I am stuck in my career. And right now, more than 300% hiking my salary, and more than almost 300, near to approx. I'm not exactly reveal my salary. That is actually, no, you understand. So more than 350% salary hiking. This is very much powerful institute. That is one powerful institute. Yeah, thank you very much. Because my English was horrible at that time. So that is the reason I didn't crack any kind of interview in previous days. And I realize for consistency, and I just enjoying the process. Because this is the total marathon. And I am telling all my brothers and sisters, then please do not do not thinking, okay, within 1 month I can give a Shakespeare, and like that I will be in Sandeep Patel, I will be in the any kind of Barack Obama. No, don't think like that. Just process. Thankful to you, sir. Hats off. I am right now. I am thinking that never till I die, I never leave any kind of any accidental happen. That is another thing. But I never leave DNA.
Hello, how are you? Do you have the patience for just 5 minutes to watch my video thoroughly? Well, I'm not saying this because I want to increase my viewers or my watch time or whatever. I feel like the thing which I'm going to share with you today will really change the way you speak, you will communicate, and you will grow in life. In life also, it's for everyone. If you are first time on my channel, let me tell you, I do not teach grammar, because grammar is never going to help you. What helps you is your mindset, your psychology. And that is what I'm going to tell you today. I will tell you a story of my student who was with me with my online session. This student was from West Bengal. And this is his story. Listen carefully. He, like many of you, came because he wanted to be a good communicator. And the reason was not like he loved it, but most of you want to be a better communicator because your growth is there. You want a better job, you want better package, you want to get selected in campus placements, you're looking for a job in IT field or any other field. You aren't able to communicate, you get stuck, you forget. That's the main reason, prime reason why he came to me. And then I realized that this guy was messaging me regularly, sir, I'm not able to frame proper sentences. Sir, I get nervous when I go and speak with my students. We have practice sessions where our students have to go and speak. Sir, I get nervous. Sir, I forget vocabulary. Sir, I get stressed. And I realized, yes, he was really getting stressed. And then I told him this concept, which I want to share with you. What he was doing was this. He was having result domination and process-oriented approach. Listen carefully here. Result dominated or result domination and process-oriented approach. What is this? This is what exactly he was doing. He was only just fanatic about results. Every day he would message me, sir, my results. Sir, I'm not able to frame proper sentences. Sir, I forget words. Sir, help me out, help me out. What was happening? Result dominated. Result was dominating in his mind. Process? You were just doing, just coming, just joining my institute. Process oriented. Then I told him, which I'm going to share. I said to him, see, the results which you want, confidence, communication, fluency, vocabulary, you can't control them. You can't control them. You can influence them. He said, I can't control. I said, see, listen, you can control your academic performance. Suppose you are studying for any exam, where technical things are there. There you can study very hard, very, very hard, and you can crack that exam. You can score better. But here it will not happen because language development is a natural process. It takes time and everyone's time is different. Now, when it is going to take time, when it is going to take its own course, what is the point in freaking about why you are allowing the result dominating your mind? There is no point. You will be just stressed. And what happens when you are focusing on result domination? I mean, result is dominating your mind. You won't be able to focus on what really will help you to be better in communication. And that is process. The process, the system. That's you're not focusing on. And I told him, you forget the results and focus on the process. I gave him this mantra, and the mantra is result oriented, process dominated. We exchange that. Result oriented, process dominated. What was that? I just told him, first thing you have to do is join my practice sessions regularly, consistently. Don't do anything else. Join my sessions regularly. On Saturdays, we have mental toughness program, mental toughness training session. Join that regularly. Don't miss that. Next, I told him, work on your habits regularly, which we give chats, we give the habit reports they have to submit. And just forget everything. Just enjoy the discussions, come prepared and participate in different activities we have. Dear friends, you will be surprised. In 4 to 5 months, everything changed. After a few days, he stopped messaging me. Slowly it came down. And then one day he messaged me and said that, wow, thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot. Everything changed now. Now I think this guy is with us since 1 year or more than that. And then he messaged us that I got a job. I got promoted. And not only promoted, 350% better package. This is how it works. This is a story of my student. And this is a true story of my student. What you're doing, work on that. Have result-oriented approach and process-dominated approach, and see your communication, your fluency, and your confidence. Stay with me. I'm there with you. Let us change this. Let us get better. Let us come out of that fear, anxiety, that grammar. Let us forget all that and let us be a better communicator. My best wishes to you. Namaste. Thank you.